This is my Varieze project. As you can see, my garage has become an airplane workshop. That light, that tail light that you can see on the tip of the strake, the right strake, that light comes on when you open the garage door. It's for prevention. Then, well, now we can see that the nose has been redone, and a new pitot tube has been installed too. Then the nose wheel compartment has been rebuilt and resized because it was too big and it was touching the nose wheel crank. Now the clearance between the nose wheel compartment and the crank is okay. I got like maybe 1 inch. See, good clearance. Well, my next step is gonna be work on the canard attachment, which is very important. I need to make sure that the canard attachment is strong enough, and then improve the finishing. I have the wings, well, one of them hanging from the ceiling and the other one hanging on one of the walls. Also, the canard is hanging on the same wall. This is the instruments I have. These are the instruments I have that I've been buying on eBay. Some air salvages. That's the radio. It's a transceiver Collins. I got it connected to the antenna and power, so every once in a while I can power it on and make it work. This is how I'm planning to put the instruments on the panel. And this is the instrument panel right now, how it is right now. The main gear has been replaced already because this airplane had a hard landing, so the main gear was damaged. No, it didn't break off, but it has some damage that weakened the gear, so they replaced it. Then I have the cowlings hanging from the ceiling. That's a good radio for this airplane because the face is very small. The body is kind of long, but what is important is the face that is small, so I can fit more instruments in that small panel. Well, that's about it.